Yes, student, welcome all of you in my mathematics online lecture series. Now, sirs, today we are going to discuss about 11th science, 11th science conic section, 11th science conic section. Remember this thing, this conic section is very important for what we say geometry point of view. And out of here, conic section consists of first one is what circle, then ellipse, then parabola, hyperbola. These are the four conic sections, and these conic sections are obtained by what we say. Suppose this is nothing but a straight line, and this another line is also intersect to each other. These two lines are intersect to each other in this point, and this is nothing but your angle alpha or beta. Say alpha here. If you rotate along this straight line, then we after rotating we get a figure, and this is nothing but your from this figure we obtain different what we say conic sections. Whatever be the details we discuss in another video, but today we focus on mainly focus on circle. Today we are going to discuss or we say focus on circle itself. Okay, now see here how to define circle, or what is the exact definition of circle. Now how to define circle, by the way, see here how to define circle. Circle, what is circle? Circle is a set of points. Circle is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. Pay attention here. A circle is a set of points, or it is also called locus or loci, right? Locus, set of points. It is equidistant from a fixed point. Now remember this thing, a set of points. What are the set of points? The circle is nothing but your set of points. Pay attention. These are the set of points, right? Now the set of points from a fixed point. Fixed point. This is nothing but your fixed point, right? Now this is nothing but your fixed point. Fixed point, fixed point, and fixed distance. This is nothing but your fixed distance. Remember this thing. This figure is nothing but your circle. Suppose this fixed point has a P, and the intersecting point has a Q. Now what happen? This PQ is a constant distance, or it is called what we say equal distance or equidistance. This is constant distance. This constant distance is called R, and this R is nothing but your radius of circle. Radius of circle. This is nothing but your radius of circle. Is it clear? A circle is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. From fixed point in a plane. Now this fixed point is called center of circle. This fixed point, that is P, is called the center of circle, and the fixed distance, that is PQ, this fixed distance PQ is called a radius of circle. It's called radius of circle. Remember this thing, right? Now this is nothing but your simple definition of circle. Okay, remember this thing. These are two important things are there. The fixed point is called what we say center of circle, and this fixed distance is called radius of circle. Is it clear? Now try to find out equation of circle. How to find equation of circle? With the help of what we say a distance formula from coordinate geometry. Now first of all, according to definition, what do you mean by circle? A circle is nothing but your a set of points from fixed set of points from what we say fixed point at a equidistance. The fixed point is called center. Now what is center here? Suppose center P having coordinate h comma q. Is it clear? These are the coordinate of center. What is point Q? It lies on this circle. This having coordinate x comma y. What do you mean by x comma y? If you consider plane reference, or what we say the two coordinate geometry, two-dimensional coordinate geometry, that is x and y. Suppose this is nothing but your point P, x comma y. What is called x coordinate? The distance from y-axis. The distance from y-axis. It is called x coordinate, and distance from x-axis, it is called y coordinate. Therefore, x comma y means what? The point P at a distance of x from y-axis, and point P as a distance of y from x-axis, and these two lines are intersect to each other in point O. This point O is called origin. Is it clear? This is called frame of reference. Now, with the help of distance formula, try to find out the coordinate of this. Now, what is the distance formula from, let me say, coordinate geometry? The distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance formula, the distance PQ is equal to, what is the formula? Distance PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Remember this thing. Let me say square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now, what we consider, according to this, try to find out radius of the circle, that is PQ. This is nothing but your fixed distance. Now, suppose what we consider, this is nothing but your x1 y1. This is point x1 y1. This is point x2 y2. Now, try to put the values of x2 and x1, y2 and y. What is value of x2? Value of x2 is x. Value of x1 is what? H. Is x minus h bracket square plus what is y2? Value of y2 is y. Y minus k bracket square. Now, pay attention here once again. Using distance formula, try to find out distance between PQ. Is it clear? PQ. What is the distance between PQ? This is a fixed distance from fixed point, and it is called radius. How to find? With the help of distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance formula, PQ is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore, what is PQ? PQ is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square. Now, this is nothing but your equation of circle. This is nothing but your equation of circle. If you take square on both sides, we get, after taking square on both sides, what we get? We get, what is a square on both sides? We get x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to PQ square. If you take square, that is x minus h bracket square, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. What is r? R is a radius of circle. R is a radius of circle. Is it clear? Now, very first we define the definition. After that, we have to find the equation of circle with the help of what we say distance formula. This PQ is equal to root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Then we get, what is the PQ? PQ is equal to x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square. Therefore, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to PQ square, that is radius square. And this is nothing but your, would we say, the standard, or it is called the equation of circle. Is it clear? Now, up to this, I think there is no problem regarding to definition of circle and equation of circle. Now, let's see some example based on this. What are the example here? See the first example. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle with center 0, 2 and radius 2. Now, very first write down given things. What are the given things? The center. The coordinate of center is given. Suppose that is P center 0, 2, or it is normally denoted by C. But here we take P. Then what is radius? R is equal to, what is R is equal to 2. Then using equation of circle. Equation of circle. What is the equation of circle? Equation of circle is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. See the equation of circle, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Now substitute the values. What is center? Center having coordinate h comma k And what is the value of radius? R is equal to 2. Now substitute those. How to substitute? This is x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 2 bracket square is equal to 2 square. What is a 2 square? 4. That is x minus 0 square, that is x square plus y minus 2 square. What is y minus 2 square? This is a minus b bracket square. What is a minus b bracket square? This is a square minus twice ab plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. Here it becomes y square. Then 2 into ab, 2 into 2 2's are 4. 4 into y minus 4y. 2 square is plus 4 is equal to 2 square is 4. Is it clear? This comes out x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. This plus 4 become minus 4 on left hand side. Therefore 4 minus 4 0. Therefore required equation is x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Is it clear? Student, this is very simple question. Find the equation of circle with the center 0, 2 and radius is 2. Now what are the given thing? First fixed point is given. It is called P 0, 2 and radius is 2. Now with the help of what we say equation of circle, what is equation of circle? X minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Now this center is what? H comma k 0, 2. Now to substitute the value of h is 0, that is x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 2 bracket square. X minus 0 x square, then y minus 2 bracket square using formula a minus b bracket square, a square minus twice ab plus b square. Therefore it become y square minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 4y. 4 plus 4, this minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 becomes 0. Therefore required solution is x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Is it clear? Student, now pay attention here. We discuss one more example. What is one more example here? Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle with center. Now what are the given thing here? Solution. What is center C? What is center C? 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 4. And radius. What is the radius? Radius is 1 upon 12. 1 upon 12. How to find out equation of circle? Now how to find equation of circle? How to find? See here. What is equation of circle? Equation of circle. Equation of circle is given by. What is equation of circle? Equation of circle is given by x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Now what do we get? X minus h, that is 1 upon 2 bracket square plus y minus k, that is 1 upon 2 bracket square is equal to r square 1 upon 12 square. 1 upon 12 square. Now again it is a minus b bracket square. A minus b bracket square. What is a minus b bracket square? Just now we discussed a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now what is the first term? First term is x square. What do we write? X square minus 2 into 1 by 2 into x. 2 to get cancelled, we get just x plus what is 1 by 2 square? 1 upon 4, right now, plus y square. Y square minus 2 into y into 1 by 4. What we get? Here it is what we say minus 2 into y into minus 1 by 4. These 2 to get cancelled, minus into minus we get what we say here. Here would be right minus 2y minus what we say 2 to get cancelled, it is 1 upon 2y plus 1 upon 4. 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16 is equal to 1 upon 12 square is 144. 144. Therefore what we get? X square minus x square plus y square minus x plus not plus minus 1 upon 2y plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 16 is equal to 140. Now simplify this, we get x square plus y square minus x minus 1 upon 2y. Here it is 4 4s are 16. That is 4 plus 1 5. 5 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon 44. 1 upon 44. Now nextly, after that what we get? We get what is the next step in this case. What is the next step? Next, try to find out here left hand side x square plus y square minus x minus 2 upon 1 upon 2y is equal to 1 upon 144 minus 5 upon 16. Now 16 16s are x square plus y square minus x minus 1 upon 2y is equal to 16 16 are what is this? We have to find out, we say LCM here. How to find LCM here? 16 multiplied by what? 16 multiplied by 9. That is 1 upon 144 minus 5 into 9 upon 16 into 9. 16 into 9 what? 16 into 9. 9 4s are 54. 5 carry 9 1s are 144. Right now, this is 144. Now this is x square plus y square minus x minus 1 upon 2y is equal to what? This is 144. This is 1 minus 45. 9 5 are 45. Therefore, we get final x square plus y square minus x minus 1 upon 2y. We minus 45 become plus 44 divided by 144 is equal to 0. This is nothing but your standard, or we say equation of circle. Remember this thing, this type of method you should use here and try to find the equation of circle. Is it clear, student? Any doubt? With the help of radius and center, we try to find out equation of what we say equation of circle. Is it clear? Now take one more example. So as a what is example here? Find the center and radius of a circle. What is center and radius of circle in this case? This is what is equation here? The equation is x plus 5 square plus y minus 3 bracket square is equal to 36. Compare with standard equation x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Now this is x minus h, that is 5, x minus k, that is 3, r, that is what is the root of 36? It is 6. Now what do we write? X minus 5, y minus into minus plus 5 bracket square plus what is y? What about minus 3? This is what? Minus into 3 into what we say 3 bracket square is equal to 6 square. 6 square is 36. Therefore, what is value of h? Value of h, what is value of h here? H is minus 5. H is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to 3. Therefore, center, what is center? Center is h comma k, that is minus 5 comma 3. And what is r? R is equal to root of 36. R is equal to 6. Is it clear? This is nothing but your simple circle and example based on circle. We discuss next time. Okay.